the news is now confirmed that singer Daler Mehendi has crowned the title track for superstar Aamir Khan's upcoming movie Dangal. The 49-year-old Punjabi singer says the track has meaningful lyrics and will infuse energy in the audience. My next song is for Dangal. Pritam has given the music for the film. It is a very beautiful song. It is the title track and is a very clean song with meaningful lyrics. People will love the song for sure. Whosoever will listen to the track will feel motivated and energetic, Mehendi told PTI. Dangal is based on the real-life story of wrestler Mahavir Singh and his daughter Geeta and Babita Phogat.
अब रिमोटवा ढूंढे खातिर हमका सीखना था ये बोले की भाषा। बिना भाषा यहाँ कौनो काम पॉसिबल नहीं था। जैसे ही भाई साहब को बताना कि इनके फैशन में हमका थोड़ा डिफेक्ट लग रहा था। हमका फीलिंग आया कि हम उनका फैशन बिगाड़ दिया था। ये लिए